Welcome back. Without wasting much of our time, let's move to the business of the day. So the first thing I'll be showing you, the first item I have here is the cap. NYC cap. You call it NYC cap. The second thing is socks. I was given 4 pair of socks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pair of socks. The next thing is polo. Two plain polo. You'll be given this in camp. I didn't use mine in camp at all because I took my own polo to camp, so I used my own polo in camp. I didn't use this, so you'll be given 2 plain polo. Knicker, 2 pair of knicker. You might be given your size, or a bigger size or a smaller size. 2 pair of knicker. 2 plain pair of knicker. Plain. Oh. Yes, this is called crested vest. Please don't call it NYC customized vest. It is called crested vest, like CREASTED, crested vest. It is not called NYC customized vest. Crested vest. Lucky enough, I was given my size. Crested vest. This is my khaki trouser. Khaki trouser. It's also my perfect size. I was given my perfect size trouser. So this is belt. You use it with your khaki trouser belt. And this is the khaki trouser, the belt with this khaki. You call it NYC khaki. This boot, it is called jungle boot, like jungle, like you're going to the jungle. Please don't call it brown shoe or boot. It is called jungle boot. And this white shoe, this white customized NYC customized shoe. So the thing is that 99.9% of us bought rubber shoe, and we use this rubber shoe in camp. And while buying this rubber shoe, please always get a bigger size. Please always get a bigger size for your rubber shoe. We did not really use this in camp. We used rubber shoe instead. And what else? Your NYC ID card. I hope you find this video interesting. I hope you have learned one thing or the other.